Hello everyone, welcome to Mystical Mindscape. In the vast expanse of the universe, where hidden forces tirelessly work to shake the tapestry of our existence, one principle stands out: the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. Unlike the widely celebrated law of attraction, this principle often remains in the shadows, quietly orchestrating the conversion of our innermost thoughts into tangible realities. Let's explore the essence of this law, envisioning it as the unsung hero of a grand orchestra. Essential, yet not always in the spotlight, it works quietly, transforming the energy of our thoughts into the physical experiences we encounter daily. Have you ever pondered how a fleeting thought can take root and grow into a significant life event? Or how persistent ideas seem to shake the world around you? These are not mere coincidences, but the law of perpetual transmutation of energy in action. At the core of our universe lies a fundamental component: energy. It's the invisible force animating the cosmos, from the smallest particle to the vast expanses of space. It permeates every object, every being, and even the intangible thoughts that flicker through our minds. Whether it's the warmth of the sun caressing our skin, the electricity powering our homes, or the kinetic energy propelling us forward, all are manifestations of this ubiquitous energy. One remarkable property of energy is its constant state of motion and vibration. It is a dynamic force, never still, always in flux. This perpetual movement isn't confined to physical energy. It extends to all forms of energy. Take sound, for example. When a guitar string is plucked, it vibrates, creating sound waves that travel through the air to our ears. This is energy in motion, transforming from one form to another, making music possible. Energy is also characterized by its indestructibility and invariability. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is a constant in our universe. Consider the food we eat. Chemical energy stored in food is converted into kinetic energy and heat within our bodies, fueling our movements. The energy shifts in form, but remains constant in quantity. The transformative nature of energy is a key characteristic. Energy can change from one form to another, a process known as transmutation. In a car engine, for instance, chemical energy from fuel is transmuted into mechanical energy to propel the vehicle. In the natural world, this mirrors photosynthesis, where plants transform solar energy into chemical energy stored in glucose, sustaining life on Earth. The interconnectivity of energy and matter, encapsulated in Einstein's famous equation, E=mc², reveals a profound truth. This equation suggests that energy and matter are two sides of the same coin, interchangeable and interlinked. In the heart of stars, where nuclear fusion occurs, matter is converted into energy, providing heat and light. This interplay between energy and matter underpins the structure of our universe, demonstrating that, at the most fundamental level, everything is interconnected. A seamless dance of energy and matter. In the realm of universal laws, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy stands as a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. This law posits that energy is in a constant state of motion and can transform from one form to another. It encapsulates the continuous flow and change inherent in the energy that surrounds us and composes us. Unlike the law of attraction, which focuses primarily on the magnetic power of our thoughts and emotions to attract similar energies, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy delves deeper into the transformative aspect of energy. While the law of attraction is about aligning our vibrational frequency with what we desire, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy is about the actual change of energy from one state to another. It's not just about attracting what we want. It's about transforming the energy around us and within us. A practical example of this law in action can be seen in the process of achieving personal goals. Consider the journey of an aspiring athlete. The initial desire or thought to win a race, for instance, is a form of energy. As the athlete trains, visualizes success, and emotionally connects to the goal, this energy transforms. It shifts from a mere thought to physical reality, influencing actions, behaviors, and ultimately manifesting the physical achievement of the goal. Another example can be found in the creative arts. An artist may start with a concept or vision, which is an energetic thought. Through the process of creation, painting, sculpting, writing. This thought is transmuted into a physical artwork. The energy of the idea is transformed into a tangible object that can be seen, touched, and experienced by others. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy demonstrates that the energy within our thoughts and emotions has the potential to manifest into our physical reality. It's a reminder that we are not just passive observers in the universe, but active participants in the continuous dance of energy transformation. Thoughts are more than fleeting moments in our minds. They are forms of energy. Each thought emits a unique vibrational frequency, generating waves of energy that interact with the world around us. This concept aligns with the principles of quantum physics, suggesting that at a fundamental level, our thoughts can influence the reality we experience. The connection between thoughts, emotions, and our reality is profound. When we harbor a thought, it doesn't exist in isolation. It's often accompanied by emotions that amplify the energy of that thought. If you constantly think that you are capable and confident and genuinely feel these emotions, you are more likely to see these qualities manifest in your actions and experiences. In contrast, habitual negative thinking filled with fear or doubt can lead to experiences that reinforce these feelings. This interplay of thoughts and emotions in shaping our reality is not just a philosophical idea. It finds support in various scientific studies. Research in the field of psychoneuroimmunology, for example, has shown how our thoughts and emotions can affect our immune system. Positive thoughts and feelings boost our immunity, while negative ones can weaken it. Another scientific perspective comes from the study of the brain's neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This means our repetitive thoughts and emotions can physically change the structure and function of our brains, influencing how we think, feel, and behave. In essence, our thoughts and emotions are not just abstract concepts floating in our minds. They are energetic entities with the power to shape our reality. By understanding and harnessing this energy, we can influence the course of our lives, turning our innermost thoughts and emotions into tangible experiences. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process of manifestation. It involves creating a vivid and detailed mental image of the desired outcome. When you visualize, you're not just daydreaming, you're actively shaping the energy of your thoughts to align with what you wish to manifest. This process includes seeing the desired result in your mind's eye, feeling the emotions associated with the achievement, and believing in its eventual realization. To effectively use visualization in manifesting desires, it's essential to practice regularly and with intention. Visualize with clarity and emotion. For example, if your goal is to excel in a particular sport, don't just imagine winning a game. Feel the exhilaration of the victory, hear the cheers of the crowd, and experience the satisfaction of your hard work paying off. This emotional connection energizes your thoughts and helps in transforming them into reality. Numerous success stories and anecdotes highlight the effectiveness of visualization. Many athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists attribute their achievements to the power of visualization. They have used this technique to envision their success, rehearse their triumphs, and mentally prepare for challenges. While visualization is a potent tool, there are challenges and misconceptions surrounding its practice. One common misconception is that visualization alone is enough to achieve one's desires. It's crucial to understand that visualization is a part of the process, not the entirety. It needs to be paired with action and effort. Simply visualizing without taking any concrete steps toward your goal is unlikely to yield results. Another challenge is maintaining consistency and belief, especially when immediate results are not visible. Visualization requires patience and persistence. It's easy to become discouraged when changes are not immediately apparent, but the key is to keep focusing on the desired outcome with faith and determination. Moreover, some people may find it difficult to visualize vividly or believe in the power of their visualizations. This skepticism can hinder the effectiveness of the practice. It's important to cultivate a mindset that is open to possibilities and practice regularly to enhance the clarity and impact of visualizations. Applying the law of perpetual transmutation of energy effectively in daily life can bring about significant positive changes. Here are practical ways to integrate this law into various aspects of your life. Personal development. Identify areas in your personal life where you seek improvement or change. It could be developing a new hobby, improving a skill, or changing a habit. Visualize the desired change vividly and regularly. For instance, if you're learning a musical instrument, imagine yourself playing it effortlessly and feeling the joy it brings. Consistently align your actions with this vision. Career advancement. Set and achieve professional goals using this law. Visualize yourself succeeding in your role or accomplishing a significant project. Feel a sense of achievement and recognize the steps needed to get there. Regularly align your professional actions and decisions with your visualized goal. Relationships. Foster healthier and more fulfilling relationships using this law. Visualize positive interactions with your friends, family, or partner. Imagine resolving conflicts with understanding and empathy. Remember that the energy you invest in thinking about your relationships significantly impacts how they manifest in reality. Health and well-being. Visualize yourself as healthy, active, and at peace. Combine these visualizations with healthy lifestyle choices, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and meditation. Recognize that your mental and emotional state can greatly influence your physical well-being. Consistently applying this law is crucial. Regular practice of visualization and aligning your actions with your thoughts helps solidify your intentions and makes their manifestation more likely. Your emotions play a significant role in this process. They amplify the energy of your thoughts, and aligning your emotions with your visualizations strengthens the process of transmutation. Positive versus negative thinking has a profound impact on our lives. Positive thinking is not just an optimistic attitude, it is a powerful catalyst that can shape experiences and influence outcomes. When we engage in positive thinking, we set in motion an energy that attracts positive circumstances, people, and opportunities. Conversely, negative thinking can create a cycle of undesirable events and interactions, often reinforcing pessimistic beliefs. Positive thinking starts with acknowledging that thoughts are a form of energy. Just as a pebble creates ripples in a pond, our thoughts create waves in the energy field around us. When these thoughts are positive, they send out vibrations that are likely to attract similar positive energies. This doesn't mean that positive thinking can magically erase life's challenges. However, approaching these challenges with a positive mindset can lead to more favorable outcomes. The role of mindset in shaping our experiences is significant. Our mindset acts as a filter through which we perceive and interpret the world. A positive mindset tends to see opportunities, solutions, and possibilities even in difficult situations. It encourages resilience, helps in overcoming obstacles, and fosters a sense of well-being. On the other hand, a negative mindset may lead us to focus on problems, limitations, and failures, often resulting in a self-fulfilling prophecy where we attract more of what we don't want. It's important to recognize that positive thinking is a skill that can be developed and strengthened over time. It involves consciously choosing thoughts that uplift and support us, practicing gratitude, and focusing on solutions rather than problems. By cultivating a positive mindset, we empower ourselves to navigate life with greater ease, optimism, and success. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking lies in its ability to transform our perception and, consequently, our experience of life. By choosing to focus on the positive, we engage the law of perpetual transmutation of energy to create a more fulfilling and joyful life experience. In exploring the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, we've uncovered the profound impact of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs on our reality. This law teaches us that energy, in its various forms, is constantly in motion, transforming our innermost thoughts into tangible experiences. Positive thinking and visualization actively shape our personal, professional, and relational lives. The key takeaways include understanding energy's omnipresence and its transformative nature, recognizing the power of our thoughts as energetic forms, and harnessing visualization for manifestation. Importantly, consistency and emotional alignment play crucial roles in applying this law effectively. Positive versus negative thinking has a profound impact on our lives, and cultivating a positive mindset is a skill that can be developed over time. I encourage you to experiment with this law in your own life. Observe your thoughts, practice positive thinking, and visualize your goals. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality through the energy of your thoughts and emotions. As we conclude, each day presents a new opportunity to transform your life using this universal law. Visualize, believe, and act toward creating the life you envision. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Consider joining our Patreon or membership for exclusive content and further insights. Also, check out recommended books for more on this topic. Remember, your thoughts have the power to change your world.